Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying model compatibility and the correct transducer for side imaging. This prevents wasted time and signal issues. Once done, position the transducer where water flow is smooth and away from props, because turbulence blurs the side cones. Make sure to dry the surface, apply marine sealant, and secure with stainless hardware. Route the cable along the hull with slack for trim and steering. This reduces stress and avoids intermittent contact when you trim or turn. You mount the head unit and confirm a solid fuse 12V connection so resets don't interrupt your mapping. Then plug in the transducer and, if available, NME or GPS input to timestamp and geolocate returns. Once powered, run the unit's auto-calibration to align sensors, then set depth range and sensitivity. Higher sensitivity shows faint returns but adds noise, so adjust while idling. Finally, pick side range and overlap to ensure continuous coverage as you move. This is critical for crisp, stitchable images. You complete setup with a sea trial at slow speed to verify side image stitching and target clarity. This shows whether cone overlap and sensitivity are correct. If you see dropouts, check for cavitation, improper mount angle, or cable rubbing that introduces noise, because small movements ruin returns. When images remain blank or quirky, power cycle, reseat connectors, and update firmware. These steps often fix communication bugs. If problems persist, reposition transducer slightly and repeat the trial to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.